and welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica Kreidl, and today I want to show you how to get and lose weight quickly. A small disclaimer at the start: losing weight really quick is not healthy at all. But if you are a pro athlete, you might have to lose a few pounds really quickly because you have a tournament or something like this, and going to drop a few pounds, I am talking about 1 kilogram, I think this is about 1.5 pounds, is sometimes really necessary just to take time at a tournament. So I am going to show you a recipe today I am using really often if I am going to drop a few pounds, going in at a tournament or something like that. And this is, let's say, a drink or something like that, and you need to like lemons and you need to like coffee. If you're going to drink this drink, you have to go in with drinking it 1 time per day. And I'm gonna tell you so much, this isn't going to taste really well. You're getting used to it if you are going to drink it much more often, but I can tell you, drinking this drink, it doesn't taste well. But without any further ado, let's get into this video, let's get started, and let me show you how I used to get rid of some extra pounds before starting in a tournament. Okay, what I have here is actually 1 lemon, and I do have some coffee already. I put the coffee in a small filter, and I am going to put it just in something that is stable for hot drinks, because you're going to pour in really hot water, like tea water or something like that, and you're going to squeeze the lemon out. So you're going to pour it hard into halves, and you're just going to squeeze the lemon, but you're going to use all of the juice, so you're going to use the whole lemon. So, and if you're done, you can pour in the whole juice just over the coffee, and we don't need any of those things anymore, so we can put it aside, because in this mixture of lemon and coffee we're just going to put in some really hot tea water. I warmed up the whole tea water, I think about 5 minutes ago or less, because it's still really hot. And yes, this is it. So it is quite easy to make, and besides of that, you're going to wait now for about 3 to 5 minutes, but you do not want to drink coffee, because coffee would have much more texture and you wouldn't go in with drinking a whole cup of coffee. You're only going to sit there and wait about 3 minutes till the taste of coffee sets in, but it is still not really coffee. And I would advise you going in with drinking this coffee mixture with lemon about 1 time a day. And if you want to lose pounds, you need for sure go in with a calorie deficit. Because if you drink this drink and you don't go in with a calorie deficit, you might not lose any weight. My drink is finished. I have waited now for about 5 minutes till the mixture set in. It is not really coffee, it looks a little bit darker and a little bit like a soft coffee drink, but it is not coffee yet. And obviously I'm gonna drink it now. So I do have some benefits you might want to know before starting in with this mixture. This mixture actually went viral about, I think, 2 or 3 years ago, but I already drank it far further and far earlier, and also some doctors actually do say it is beneficial even if you don't want to lose weight. So first of all, if you're going to drink this sets in for your body and it cleans your body in the inner side a little bit. Also, it is beneficial for losing some belly fat and furthermore fat everywhere in the body, because your body does know where you want to lose weight. So, if you're going to drink it, this is actually really healthy, a healthy drink. If you want to lose weight, like told before, please go in and also reduce your calories. So go in with a calorie deficit, because if you do not go in with a calorie deficit, you might not really lose weight. Maybe you're going to drop a few pounds because you're going to start drinking this drink, but not going in with any calorie deficit won't help you losing weight. This is everywhere the same. Going in, starting a new sport and hoping to reduce your pounds, your weight without going in with a calorie deficit won't help, so always reduce your calories. Okay, so I hope you had a great time watching this video. Leave some thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for much more tips like those. And I am going to drink this drink now. Tell me in the comments if you like this drink and how it tastes for you, because I am already used to this drink, even though it literally tastes really awful. But cheers to that. I'm gonna drink this now and see you in my next videos.